How to remove block addresses in Yahoo Mail on computer. And okay guys, here in your Yahoo Mail dashboard, okay, you'll have to do is go to gear icon on the upper right side on your screen. Okay, click this. And after that, go to more settings. In more settings on left side, go to security and privacy. Okay, go to this. And now here in security and privacy, you can see here the block addresses. And I have one addresses or email address block on my account. To remove or delete this block addresses, okay, you'll have to do is go to address. Okay, here my block address or email address. To remove this, you'll have to do is click the delete icon on the right side of this address. Okay, you'll have to do is click this to remove. Okay, block sender delete. Okay, we have successfully removed the block addresses in Yahoo account. Okay, go back to your inbox to save, and that's it. Okay, you have successfully removed or delete the block addresses in Yahoo Mail on computer.